Thaitradezone.com facilitates the export of top products from the British Indian Ocean Territory, including frozen seafood, non-fillet commercial grade fish, industrial and technical equipment, heating machinery, food processing tools, and agricultural and dry goods, dried legumes, and grains. We offer full export services like B2B matchmaking, logistics, documentation, private labeling, and trade fair integration to reach markets across Asia, the GCC, EU, and beyond. Inquiries: USA at Thaitradezone.com. Support at Thaitradezone.com. Website www.Thaitradezone.com. Global contact lines: United States USA 1234529247. Call bottom. Skype SMS India 9180099 53003. Call WhatsApp bottom. Sri Lanka 940754543269. Call WhatsApp bottom 94,078,631 1912. WhatsApp Skype